This will be a hotel room tour of room 457 at the Shore Hotel in Santa Monica, California. RFID locks. Interior corridor, of course. Don't let the door shut. As you walk in, here's your emergency evacuation plan. Pause if you want to read that. Some other stuff. Now, walking into the room, you are greeted with a very spacious, nice modern bathroom. There's a sink. There's many high. There's a shower. Here's a commode. It's a Toto. We'll flush it. It's got the whisper seat. Oh, an interesting feature. Look at this. This is the first quirk I noticed in this room. However, we all want privacy, so see, it comes down like that. That way, obviously, no one can see you. I don't know how I'd feel if that wasn't there. I wouldn't be happy. Here's your shower. It's got the rain-style shower head. Let's try it out. Turn it off. Another interesting thing is, this door doesn't seem to lock. Let me show the closet if it'll. These are hard to open. Here's your closet with your ironing board, luggage rack, your safe. Okay. Sorry. Here's your little, snack bar area with some liquor, which they charge you for, so I'm not touching any of that because they'll automatically bill us because they have sensors right in here. Is a mini bar. I'm not gonna open it, but yeah. You come in further into the room. You have two very nice queen-size beds. Very firm. Your hotel phone, alarm clock. Love these little lamps. Here's your workstation. Another phone. USB port outlets. There's my shirt, or my sweatshirt. It's Hollister, yes. So now I'm gonna show you the balcony. Sorry, please bear with me. I'm actually kind of tired. I could just get this door. Everything's so heavy to open here. Here's the balcony. It's got a really nice glass barricade. There's handrail. We're on the 4th floor. I think that's like the promenade. That's like the mall. This hotel's not that old. But yeah, there's a bus down there. Anyways, some seating outside on the deck. Anyways, I'm gonna close this up. I'll let bugs in. So this concludes our hotel room tour. Hope you enjoyed it and have a good night. Peace out.